Now, today we are going to do linking verbs. So, for what is the basic structure of a sentence? Suppose I speak, I have a book, or the book is on the table. So, mainly when you write a sentence, you always have subject, verb, and object. Okay? So, when I have spoken, I have a book. Subject, verb, object. Or the book is on the table. Here this is subject, verb. On the table is object? No, it is not object. It is adding some information to the main subject, that is book. So it is not object. So one thing is clear, in order to complete a sentence, it is not necessary that object must be there. So then what are these kind of verbs? For example, another, if I write down, the birds fly, the child laughs. Okay, the birds fly, for example, the child laughs. Now here in these cases, these are two subjects, these are verbs. But after that, just see, full stop is there, still the meaning is clear. Still the meaning is clear. It means still the sentence is complete. So it is not necessary always to have object in the sentence. Moreover, these are intransitive verbs. You must have done in your 7th class transitive and intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs mean they do not take object at the end. Okay? They do not need object to complete their meaning. Fine? So this is what I want to deliver, that basically we have subject, verb and object, but sometimes we do not need any, you can say, object in order to complete the sentence, right? So if I write down some more examples, you will see on the board. You will complete it. Sky appears. Child is. Okay, complete it. The sky appears. The child is. Speak anything.
Dark. And the sky appears dark.
The child is naughty.
Child is
Laughing.
Crying, laughing.
Naughty.
the child is
Sleeping. Crying, laughing.
the child
Sleeping.
is laughing. Okay. Suppose the plums are
Sweet.
Fresh. And fresh.
fresh. Okay. So it means that you have added on these verbs. Are these objects? No.
No.
No. So then, here these are verbs, right? This is also main verb. These are the other helping verbs. But actually these verbs, they are called as linking verbs. They are called as linking verbs. So what are linking verbs? It means from the name it signifies it links. But what it links? It links the subject to other parts of the sentence. What it does, it links subject to other part of the sentence. It can be a phrase. For example, if I add, the child is laughing loudly. It can be a phrase, okay, or it can be a clause also, right? So it means the basic thing is that the linking verbs, they connect, they link subject with that of what? They link subject with that of other parts of the verb, right? So these are called as linking verbs. right? So mainly what are actually linking verbs? They link, they tell us, they add on more information in subject also. They add on more information in case of, you can say, subject, to the subject. They, what they do, they add on more information to the subject. Suppose if I write down the earth, if I speak the earth is
Round.
earth is round, okay, so it means the earth is subject. Round, if you have added, it is adding more meaning, or it is adding more information to that of earth. Okay, so what is joining round and the earth? What is joining round and the earth?
Is.
Is joining, so it means that is linking verb, right? So now you have got what is linking verb.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, fine. What is linking verb? Now, which are mainly linking verbs? How you will recognize linking verbs? All words of senses. You know we have 5 senses. Okay, sound, hear, smell, taste. For example, the nut tastes bitter. Okay, the flower smells beautiful. I hear a lovely sound. Okay, then feel, I feel lonely here. Okay, appear, this example I have already given. Then get, go, grow. These are what? These are mainly the linking verbs. So what are these? These are mainly the linking verbs. So, but one more thing is there are true linking verbs also. True linking verbs. So what are true linking verbs? Very easy to remember. It's very easy. All forms of be. All forms of be is also what? It is, these are linking verbs. What are the different forms of be? Speak out. Is,
Are,
Am,
was.
am,
is, am, are.
Was.
were, being, and
Be.
being and being. These
Being.
are what? These are the examples of, these are the different forms of be. These are of course true linking verbs. Next is seen. For example, it turns out to be seems and seemed. Right? Next, afterwards, we have become, becomes, and became. Right? These are true linking verbs. What are these? These are true linking verbs. So what are these? Pick out. These are
True linking.
true linking verbs. So just remember what are linking verbs. They join subject with the other parts of the sentence or add on some additional information to that of subject. Right? Here, for example, which words are mainly used as linking verbs? All the five words of senses: hear, smell, taste, feel, appear. Right? Then get, go, and grow. Next, afterwards, what are true linking verbs? Just 3 things you have to remember. All forms of be, seem, and become. This is clear to you? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next in your this topic, what is given that sometimes some action words, they are also called as linking verbs. So how? Some action words, they are also called as linking verbs. For example, he looked out of the window. So here remember one thing, what he did. He looked. Okay, so this is action words. But here remember one thing, it means that the action word, they are also used as linking verbs. Or you can say it tells us about the subject, what subject is doing. Okay, so it tells us about the state of the subject also, right? What it tells us the state of the subject. It means this is action word only. But if I write down we grow vegetables in the pot. Okay, so here in this case, what it is showing, this grow, what it shows, it tells us about something about subject? No, it tells us only about the action. So it means that
Action.
then this grow, it only tells us about action of subject. So this is not a linking verb. It tells us action, it doesn't tell us about, it doesn't, we doesn't call it as linking verb. But if I change it, for example, we grow quickly. So here this we grow means this quickly is telling us more about we. Okay, it is telling about the state of being of subject. So this is the reason why it is called as linking verb. See here, same word is used here and here, but here it is only action. So this is not a linking verb. But here, grow quickly is adding on more information. It is telling us about the state of being of the subject. So this is a linking verb. So what is this? This is a linking verb. I hope that till here it is clear to you. Now, let us generalize. Very short topic it is. Let us generalize that what are the main qualities of linking verbs. First of all, as I told you, it tells us the state of the subject. What it tells? It tells us about the state of the subject. For example, Roma is a doctor. Here is telling that doctor, who is Dr. Roma. So it is telling us, okay, the state. We are happy. So what we happy? It means it is telling about the state of the subject. Next, it also adds some additional information. It adds additional information about the what it does, it adds some additional information about the subject. Okay, can you give an example of it? Some additional? He feels himself blind. He appears to be, for example, he appears to be selected for this match. It means what it will do, it will add on some additional information to that of the subject. Moreover, it also links the subject to the other parts of the sentence. This I have already told you. It links it to some other parts of the sentence also. Now, here one more thing is there. They have mentioned, which I have already given you the example. For example, we grow vegetables. That was not a linking verb because it is defining an action. Okay, but we grew quickly. So, see. We grow vegetables in the garden. And or we grew quickly. So there is a trick. If you will replace these with true linking verb, for example, we appear vegetables, we become vegetables in the garden, we are vegetables in the garden. It is making sense? Is it making sense? True linking verb, if I replace it with true linking verb. True linking verb, I have told you, verbs of, forms of be, seem and appear. Replace it with anyone. Is it making sense? If I add on
No.
here, we seem vegetables, no. We appear vegetables, no.
No.
We is vegetables, no. We are
No.
vegetables, no. It is not making sense. So it is not a linking verb. This is the trick here. So this is not a linking verb. So here we grow quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
So, or it is making sense? The children are
Yes, ma'am.
quickly, or we are quickly.
Yes.
It is making sense? No. Then again, what it is? It is not a linking verb. Okay.
Verb.
For a linking verb, you have to replace it. For example, we grew excited. So see here. Replace grew with linking verb. We were excited. We are excited. We became excited. It is making sense?
Yes.
Yes. So this is
Yes.
linking verb. It is making sense. So this is what? This is linking verb. See, the same word is there, but when it is used differently, it is not, if it is replaced by a linking verb and it is not making any sense, then what it is not a linking verb, but when it is making sense, it is called as linking verb. Okay? So right till here it is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now open up your grammar books and let us do the exercise, discuss the exercise we have to do. Yes. First is page number 39. Open up page number 39. So I will give you 1 minute to complete it. Just do it, then we will discuss the answers. Yes, the first one is, in the following sentences, circle the linking verbs and underline their complements. What we have to do? Circle the linking verbs and underline their complements. Okay. Maya turns 20 this year.
Turned.
Turned is the
Turn
verb.
is a linking verb.
Linking verb.
And 20 this
Maya
year
is
is
subject.
complement.
20
The
this year
dog
complement.
wanted to see its master.
Was.
Was
Was linking
linking verb. The room full
Happy.
of stars smelled heavenly.
Smelled.
Because again it is a word of sense and the word of sense will be a linking verb. Sohail was quite young then.
Was linking word.
was linking verb.
It is a linking verb. Next afterwards, the wait seemed like an hour.
Seemed linking verb.
Or seemed is again a word of sense. So it is a linking verb. I feel sleepy when I stay up late. Feel.
Feels sleepy.
Feel.
And feels.
Word of sense. So this is a linking verb. The soup looked lip smacking.
Looked linking verb.
Looked. Linking verb.
Looked again what?
Linking verb.
Linking verb. This appears to be simple.
Appears. Linking verb.
Linking verb.
Linking
Right.
verb.
So next page, page number 40, we have to pick up the words from the bracket or from the box which is given and we have to fit in here. So now you very well know which are the linking verbs, words of senses. Appear, feel, smell, taste, hear, get, go, grow, turn and turn. Okay, appear I have already spoken, right? So see here. Storm clouds clouds gathered and the sky dashed gray.
Turned
Not
grey.
gray.
And the sky turned gray. Tara dashed nervous before the show.
Looked.
Appears.
Looked
Seemed.
nervous before the show. Next. After she lost the match, Jaya dashed depressed.
Appears depressed.
Appears.
Turned depressed.
Okay.
Turned तो हो गया है.
Turn नहीं. Appears or seems. Right? There dash 17 members in our are. A walk dash impossible on a hot summer evening.
Seems impossible.
Sounded. Or seems can be there.
हमें impossible के spelling गलत दिए हुए हैं.
क्या?
हमें impossible के spelling गलत दिए हैं मेरी book में.
नहीं, it is right. It's right.
But in my book it's wrong.
It's right. The hot soup dash great.
Tasted.
Tasted. Everything dash washed and fresh after a shower of rain.
Everything seems.
Appear.
Seems.
Children need to be kept busy during holidays or they dash restless and bored.
Grow.
Grow.
So very good, very good. So now again I'm giving you 2 minutes. You have to do the next one, page number 41. Then we will discuss. Yes, do it. Now let us do exercise. Page number 41, C part. Underline the main verbs in the following and state whether they are linking verbs or not. First is pile appears calm.
Appears. Linking verb.
Otherwise, replace it with true linking verb. Pile is calm, making sense. So it is a linking verb.
Yes.
He became anxious about working for first time.
Became.
Linking verb.
Linking verb.
Yes, he is anxious. He was anxious. He became anxious. Right. We grew flowers in our garden.
Grew.
Linking verb.
Unlinking word.
Not a linking
Not
verb.
a
Yes.
linking verb.
No, not linking word.
You can say true linking verb. You will write down we are flowers in our garden. We became flowers in our garden. These are true linking verbs. So this is not a linking verb. Feel the texture of the stone.
Feel.
Feel.
Not a linking
Not
verb.
linking. Not linking verb.
Here, okay, it is not a linking verb. They stayed at home.
Stayed linking verb.
Linking verb.
Linking verb.
Charu grew impatient about the delay.
Grew.
Grew.
Linking
Linking
verb.
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 Is linking verb. The dress looked beautiful on Meera.
Looked.
Looked. Linking
Linking
verb.
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 People stood at the gate waiting to meet their hero.
Stood linking
Stood.
verb.
Linking verb.
Linking verb.
Next, Gaurav tasted the delicious dish.
Tasted.
Tasted.
Not linking
Not
verb.
a linking
Not
verb.
linking
Not
verb.
a linking
Because
verb.
we are the delicious dish. We became the delicious dish. So it is not
Yes.
a linking verb. It is not making any sense. Everyone looked for the lost papers.
Looked.
Looked.
Linking verb.
Not linking verb.
Not linking verb. We
Yes.
for the lost papers. It's not making sense. So it is not a linking verb. Okay. Next, we have to do the topic complement. Otherwise, I have to do it today. But because the time was short, we were not able to do. And in the next lecture, we will do complement. Okay. We will do what we will do. We will do the next topic which is related to it, that is complement. Complement is of course related to linking verb. For example, I have given you examples. The birds were flying in the sky. Okay, the earth appears round. Here round is one word, but it is not object. Still it is
Yes.
completing the
Complement.
so it is a complement.
Complement.
For example, we were excited about the trip. Here we were
Excited for the trip.
excited about the trip. Okay, so it is a complete phrase. Okay,
Yes.
so it is again a compliment. Okay, so he is worried about what he said. So what he said is again, it's a clause. Okay,
Compliment.
it can be be a word, phrase or clause which are required to complete the meaning of the sentence. So this is called as complement, right?
मैम कॉम्प्लीमेंट में हर बार
These
Link.
are subjective as well as object complement. This we will do in the next lecture. Okay?
मैम कॉम्प्लीमेंट लिंकिंग वर्ब के बाद आता है हर बार.
Yes, it can be. Okay?
मैम
It is required to complete the meaning because you know in the sentence there is always subject, verb and then rest. Okay? Right? So complement is always after the linking verb, not before. After verb ही होगा ना जो भी होगा. Right?
Yes.
It is adding to the
Yes.
meaning of subject also, so it is always at the end. Right? Next, this we will do in the next lecture. That's all for today.
मैम